Everyone knows the iPod. Everyone knows the Mac. Everyone knows Apple. Now, they came up with this brand new product called the iPad, which is basically a large version of the iPhone. What's the point? What's the point of having a big version of your best-selling product? I mean, everybody bought the iPhone, everybody bought the iPod, everybody bought those Macs. I mean, you don't have to improve your product because the whole world owns an iPod or an iPhone or a Mac. Well, not exactly a Mac. I mean, they made the iPod smaller, they're making the iPhone bigger, and they're making the Macs thinner. Again, what's the point? I mean, looks like instead of coming up with brand new products, they're just improving their own products. Their products they already made. I mean, we don't need a flatter Mac laptop. We don't need a smaller iPod. We don't need a big ass iPhone. I mean, what's the next thing Apple is gonna come up with? The iProstate? I mean, the iPad is basically a big iPhone the size of a computer monitor. Touch. Like that. That's what I'm talking about. We'll see how this goes. Well, yeah, we'll see how the new iPad goes. Apparently, we can't fit in our pockets. The iPhone is this iPod. I mean, you made the iPod smaller, which is a bad idea because you could lose. What happens if you lose it? Like, what happens if you lose an iPod Nano, the smallest iPod? Who are you gonna blame? Apple. Why? Because all they want is to change the size of their own products. The Macs are flatter, thinner. Why? I don't know. Tell that to Mac. I mean, it's so flat you could easily snap it in half. I mean, and the iPhone became bigger. You don't want me to hold. You don't want me to hold this whole thing and call it an iPhone. Apple should stop changing the size of their products. Make something brand new. Maybe a brand new computer, or a brand new MP3 player, or a brand new phone, or a brand new handheld product. Yeah.